Good day. I am Rudolph King Lachano, a grade 1 student of Montessori School of Guagua. We have an interesting lesson in our cultural arts subject. Our teacher taught us all about natural calamities. These are catastrophic events with atmospheric, geological, and hydrological origins. Examples are tsunamis, earthquakes, floods, hurricanes, tornado, and landslide that can cause fatalities, property damage, and social environmental disruption. Just recently, the Philippines experienced one of the worst disasters in history, Typhoon Rolly, followed by Typhoon Ulysses, resulted in a lot of damages in infrastructure and agriculture, but cause of severe flooding, displacing thousands of individuals, and a lot of people lost their livelihood and even their loved ones. As young children, we can also do our part in preparing and responding to a disaster. Here are some of the basic steps we can do when preparing for a natural disaster. First, you should have your own go bag. Put extra clothing, supplies, medicine, flashlight, whistle, and freezing kit inside it. Second, know the facts and familiarize yourself with the natural disaster often occurring in your area. Your family should also know where to go in case you need to evacuate. You should also listen to your parents and other family members when they discuss or talk about natural disasters. Wear your raincoats and boots. Prepare umbrella so you won't get wet. Make sure that you are accompanied by a responsible adult when you commute or walk to and from school. As Montessori students, we are also tasked in taking care of our environment. Together, let us be mindful of how our actions and behavior affect Mother Nature. Again, this is Rudolph King reporting live from MSOB Network. Stay safe, everyone!